Hello friends, today I will show you how to create a brand new X account, or you can say a Twitter account. This is very simple to create. Just watch the video till the end and make your X account properly. Now let's move directly to my mobile screen. First of all, you have to install the X account if you haven't installed it, so open Play Store or App Store and then search X Twitter, and then simply click on Install. Once it is installed, simply click on Open. Now click on Create Account and you will have to enter your name, email, and date of birth. After entering all these, simply click on Next and then you have to enter the code that is sent to your Gmail. So copy the code from your Gmail and enter it here to verify your Gmail. And then click on Next. You need to create a strong password, which should be a combination of numbers, letters, symbols, and special characters. After creating your password, click on Sign Up. Then click on Upload, and then take a photo or choose your existing photo. Customize it. Click on Apply, and then click on Next. Now you have to set your username, which should be unique. Once it has a green tick, simply click on Next, then click on Allow, and again click on Continue. Now tick your language, and then click on Next. Now, follow some accounts here and click on Next. Now simply click on No Thanks. Now all steps have been completed. Now click on your profile icon and then click on Profile. This is how your profile looks. If you found this video useful, then please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a good day.